energy to transport to healthcare. Here are 8 industries being disrupted by Elon Musk and his companies. Elon Musk is CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, has plans to colonize Mars, and thinks AI may turn humans into its pets. But beyond the hype, his enormous net worth, and Twitter presence, here's how Musk's companies are actually taking on 8 industries. We take a look at the state of his companies and how they are, or aren't, transforming the industries in which they operate. Automotive. Tesla has boomed in 2020. We take a look at the company's rocky history and how Musk has propelled Tesla to become the most highly valued car maker in the world. Autopilot technology, available in all 4 Tesla models, enables features like auto steering, self-parking, and summoning. A driver uses a smartphone to summon his car during a rainstorm. Aerospace. SpaceX plans to build a freeway to Mars by reducing the cost of flying a spaceship to a fraction of what it is today, and to harness rocket technology for Earth travel as well. Musk's ambitions with SpaceX aren't just focused on interplanetary travel. The rocket company is using its spacefaring experience to build its own internet service, which will be delivered by a constellation of thousands of satellites. Telecommunications. Musk's work in space could revolutionize how we get online, and provide fast, affordable internet for those without access. Musk and SpaceX are going after the $1 trillion satellite internet industry to provide online access to those in rural, hard-to-reach locations. SpaceX's ambitious $10 billion Starlink project isn't intended to provide high-speed internet to everyone, everywhere, but instead targets the population that terrestrial networks have failed to reach. Energy and electricity. According to a utilities lobbying group, Musk's efforts with Tesla and SolarCity could lay waste to US power utilities and burn the utility business model, eliminating our dependence on fossil fuels and instead drawing energy from lay waste to US power utilities and burn the utility business model. Sun has been one of Musk's priorities for more than a decade. Transportation. We analyze the Hyperloop, Musk's proposed 5th mode of transportation that's a cross between a Concorde and an air hockey table, and the progress that's been made. The Hyperloop was envisioned as a form of commercial transportation that's much faster than traditional approaches. Commercial airlines can move passengers at an average speed of 575 miles per hour. The Hyperloop would travel at about 760 miles per hour. Infrastructure/tunneling. We look at how Musk's Boring company is trying to cut costs in the notoriously expensive tunneling industry, where a mile of tunnel can cost $1 billion to dig and each additional inch in diameter costs millions more. Musk's solution to soul-destroying traffic. The company aims to construct safe, fast-to-dig, and low-cost transportation, utility, and freight tunnels. AI/artificial intelligence. We investigate why Musk, who is certain that the race for AI superiority will be the most likely cause of World War III, is investing so much into building better AI. OpenAI garnered headlines in July 2020 when it released GPT-3, the most powerful language model to date. Trained on 175B parameters, its predecessor, GPT-2, was trained with just 1.5B. The model is sometimes described as a super smart autocomplete program. But its capabilities run far beyond auto-completing text. It's been used to generate short stories, guitar tabs, technical manuals, images, and even computer code. Healthcare. We dig into the high-bandwidth, minimally invasive brain-machine interfaces that Neuralink is developing to create futuristic humans. Launched in 2016, Neuralink is Musk's project to build a brain-computer interface (BCI) that will link human brains directly to computers. Neuralink device could help people suffering from stroke, neurodegeneration, cancer, spinal cord injuries, amputations, and dozens of other healthcare issues. And if the Neuralink project is successful, years of expensive treatment and therapy, and in many cases risky surgeries, could be replaced with a relatively simple microscopic brain implant that restores motor, memory, or other cognitive functions. When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. Elon Musk. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video.